Oh yeah.
180 on the dash. And then when you hit that, it glows. Then this is sport button, then the grand sport button. But I like my other dashboard better.
The Turin?
Yup. Then I just go and I put my car info in it. I always try my best to conserve much gas because I drive like a demon. So I'm gonna put it on eco mode.
Save gas and be fast.
Save gas and be fast.
What's going on, guys? D Creator here. I'm here with my buddy Corey.
What's up?
Yep. And we just hopped into his man, I don't even know what year. 2015
Buick Regal GS Grand Sport.
So this is like the first kind of car that's kind of luxury on my channel, and it's nice. It's really nice. So it's kind of like a sleeper also, but most luxury cars are. But this one right here, it's pretty
quick.
nice.
It's pretty quick.
It's pretty quick. It got a little turbo on there, but I mean,
I'm doing 140 easily. I'm not whooping no Corvettes or nothing, but I'm doing 140 easily.
We ain't doing 140 now. That's only on the track. How long you had this car? Because I know before that you had a Nissan Altima or Maxima.
Yeah, my Maxima was giving me problems, so I only had this car for 2 weeks. It's still new. It's used, but it has 49,000 miles on it. Got it 2 weeks ago.
You probably want to close that because a lot of wind noise. Sunroof. It's nice too. Kind of wish I had that on my car, but you know.
Yeah, but I got this 2 weeks ago. So my Maxima, Nissan was giving me problems, and the Cadillac converters I had stopped up in the dealership said it was gonna be about 2,100. But I know if I even would have went to my mechanic, it would have been at least 900 to fix for the parts and labor. So I got tired of putting money into the car that I didn't had ever since high school, so I just got me something else. But I love it, it's nice. I just told myself I got me a new vehicle, I want to go back to GM. So that's what I did.
And you know, to be honest, with you and your brother, all about Corvettes and Camaros and whatnot, I was kind of surprised that you got a Buick.
Yeah.
You know, I was thinking you probably gonna get like an older model. You know, especially you saying that you want a, you know, box Chevy and
oh my God, yeah.
and what you call it, Caprice and all that good stuff.
I didn't even imagine having a Buick. A Buick didn't even run through my mind. I haven't thought of a Buick in 2 or 3 years. But I seen it, caught my eye, and I bought it. But my mom, she has a Cadillac CTS 2.0, and I did some research on that like 4 months back, and it has 272 horsepower, and it's making 295 pounds of torque.
And it's basically the same motor, right?
The exact same motor in this car, except it's detuned to 259 with the same exact amount of torque, 295. And it picks up quick, like really quick.
Oh, that ain't bad.
And I haven't did the dash on it. I haven't did the top speed, but on my research on the 2012 models of this vehicle, they said it went 160 without cutting off. So I won't know until I test that out.
That ain't bad at all, man.
My Maxima cut off at 146, so that's faster right there.
I never topped out of my car. I just know the V6 topped out at 122. It was pretty quick, but
the V8 is a whole other different story.
Yeah. I went 135 behind my house. I'm sorry, Mom. Yeah, what you got plans for it?
Nothing. I really don't have no plans on doing anything to the motor until I get done from paying for it. But as far as it goes, what I'm gonna do to it is just I was gonna put some rims on it, make it look nice, put some 20s on it, and tint the windows and really just keep it.
What size on there now?
19s.
19. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger, not that much bigger.
Yeah, no damage to the trans or anything, not too much bigger.
Goodness. It don't even, I'm not going to say what's going on now. This is so smooth. started raising. Oh my goodness. And just like that, we're doing the speed limit.
Yeah, it was a quick little.
You wasn't supposed to say it.
Might have to edit that out.
It's all good. You know, I'm like, okay, it's building up. I feel it because that turbo, you know, it takes a minute for it.
It took a minute for my Maxima to do that. My Maxima had great low end power, but on the top end, it couldn't get that speed as quick as I did it.
But it was just like, it was so smooth. Like, it didn't even feel like we was going that fast.
At all.
I looked at it and I'm like,
oh my God. Yes. That's the first reaction I had. When I test drove the car, that's the thing that made me buy it. At first, I really didn't want the car. My dad told me, just try, you may like it. I liked it.
But yeah, I'm just, okay, you know, the cars I've been testing, the cars I've been reviewing, they've been like sports cars. They all about noise and, you know, muscle and just like aggressiveness. I mean, shoot.
This car catch you sleeping?
Yeah, it's really smooth. Like it didn't even feel like we was moving
at all. My wheel wasn't even shaking.
So I'm just really surprised on that. Did you have it on sport mode?
Nope. I had it on touring mode.
You see what I mean? It's just straight smooth, butter. It was nice. Now I was talking about the stopping power on here too. We got Brembo's brakes on there. So
that's what made it catch my eye.
It catch my eye too. As soon as he pulled up, I was like, what? And there's some big brakes too. Really big. I think they might have been 4 piston. If not, they got to be at least 3 or two, you know, got to be more than 2. So
at least more than 2.
It's stopping. It's really stopping.
Like I jam on the brakes and the back wheels about to come off the ground.
But yeah, this is nice. He got like a little touch screen going on, the navigation and whatnot.
My first car with navigation, by the way.
Yep, it wasn't navigation.
My Cadillac didn't even have navigation.
Really?
Yep. My 06 Cadillac didn't even have navigation.
But I mean, it's a lot to look at. But I mean, it's nice. It already got the digital dash and all that. I showed y'all. He was messing with it and whatnot. It's push to start.
First push start car.
It just
rides real good. Like I just wanted something that's gonna be reliable. Except I wanted it to be a little bit faster than my last car, and it looked like I found my goal.
Yeah. Okay. You say you had a Cadillac.
Mm-hmm.
I know Cadillacs are known to have, like, you know, luxury. Like, that's what they made for. They like not right underneath Rolls Royce, but you know what I mean. They're up there.
Top of the line GM product.
Yeah.
When it comes to luxuries.
Now, how do you feel about this one compared to the Cadillac?
It really surprised me when I first looked at the outside of it. I had no idea it was going. My mom has a 2016 Cadillac CTS, and this thing has more loaded features than her car. Like, for instance,
and this is a 13.
This is a 15.
Or 15.
And for instance, let me show you real quick. Let me get over here. All right. For instance, I'm about to get the speed up.
Got that torque.
Now watch this. Here you go. Look at my foot. Tell me if it hits the brake.
Oh my goodness. That's cool.
Watch. Look at the speed. It's going to speed up. When that car speed up, it's going to speed up. Now watch. I'm going to get over here and watch it. I'm not touching the brake.
There's a car literally like probably 2 seconds ahead of us, and it's slowing down. He's not pushing on the brakes.
Now let me get off on this exit and get close to a car and watch how hard it stops. Watch this. I'm just going. I'm gonna nail it. Get close to him and watch this.
That's not him pressing on the brakes
at all.
It's just us going back because the car is doing that. That's amazing.
You know, my mom's car doesn't even have that feature, and that's the thing that I wanted to tell you. It's just Now, Cadillac, my mom's car costs about $35,000. That's a 16. A lower model would be like $28,000. And yeah, it just surprised me. Like, it didn't even surprise her when she drove the car. The only difference is my car don't have paddle shifters, but other than that, the thing's fully loaded.
But I mean, it's not made to be a sports car
At all.
But I mean, it does have rainbow brakes. It's pretty quick.
8.5 inch wide wheels, 19 inch. It's pretty quick.
And I mean, the seats in here too, they nice. I feel like this would be a good traveling car if somebody would want a travel car. Heated and cool seat. Yeah. Got eco mode so you can travel long distances.
Got sport mode and grand sport mode. Really, I think they're the same thing. I never heard of that, but who knows?
Grand sport probably is like no holds barred. Like, I'm blowing your doors off.
Yes.
But I mean, yeah. Overall, 100% just surprised about this car because this is my first time being in it. And yeah. It's nice.
You kind of had the same reaction as my brother.
Because it's just something that you don't expect from a Buick. Like that whole commercial, oh my God, is that a Buick? Like, oh my God, is this a Buick? Type thing. Look, I should be sponsored by Buick now.
But yeah, it's really reliable and quick to be reliable as it is. You can put your foot in this thing all day. You won't have no heating problems out the engine. You won't have no oil leaks out the engine. It don't hold that much oil. It only takes like $39 to fill up, and that's 93 premium. So it's really a good reliable car. It gets 21 miles per gallon. The way I drive, probably like 17. But I mean, I got 11 in the maximum, so that's a blessing.
I probably get 17 in my car. The Mustang. Mm-hmm. And that's normal driving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
starting to make sense now.
Yep. Or it's like engine stuff that, like, have you looked up any prices? Like
I've looked up tunes for it.
Tunes?
Yeah, I looked up this performance brand called ZZP, which is like, I guess, the best performance brand for these 2.0s. And they make pretty good stuff. But as far as it goes, me doing anything until I get on for paying for the car, I'm just gonna put a tone on it, if anything. And the tone makes it move.
The tune is like probably like around probably like around 300, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. I seen it like it was like $349.99.
With a Buick, you know, most people don't think of Buick being as, you know, an expensive car to have. And I mean, do you think this is like an expensive car to keep up with, or do you feel like it's going to be? Not
at all. Really, the only thing that you have to worry about being on the higher price range with GM vehicles are like SS Camaros, any Corvette.
All Corvettes.
All Corvettes. And but as far as it goes, Buick, they usually use the same pieces as Cruise pieces or Malibu 2.0 pieces. But as far as it goes repairs, I really won't have to worry about that because I have a 100,000 mile warranty on it. But see, that was lane switch and let me know I was out of my lane. But yeah, as far as it goes repairs, it won't be too expensive to really repair. If I do have to pay for it, it won't be too much.
Hey.
Oh, okay.
It's a Mustang. Oh, he's going through the tunnel. It sounds good. It's a nice Mustang too. Black and white.
Oh man.
You know I have a thing for black and white.
Ooh, that thing nice. I'm gonna run the window real quick. I know it's gonna mess me up. I'm not the biggest Mustang fan, but woo! Got me slick wanting one for a second. But
oh, you hear that, Chevy guys? Getting the one year Chevy, guys.
Chevy guy at heart. I'm driving a Buick, but GM guy at heart. That's a clean Mustang.
Maybe y'all need to try something new. Okay. Put this down real quick. I see.
Yeah, they gotta fix
Lord.
that too. They gotta fix that too. Yes, they gotta fix that too.
It's nice to have a warranty.
Yes, yes.
But I wasn't expecting that to happen. But yeah, guys, we're just going to go ahead and end the video here. I want to thank Scory for letting me review this nice car, because it's just like, again,
Anytime, man. I like to be back.
yeah. Hopefully you can get that tune in real quick. You can see what really going on.
Hey, it's a lot of plans for this car. Just wait. It's a lot of plans.
And hopefully we can get your brother on here. He need to hurry up and get whatever he's trying to get.
He need to get that Camaro he been talking about, man.
That Trans Am, something.
Yeah, he been talking about that TA.
But he ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, he ain't gonna do it, man.
But alright, guys, subscribe if you would like more reviews like this. Comment if you want more reviews. Unfortunately, he doesn't have any social media or anything.
Sorry,
like that.
guys.
So if there's any questions you want to ask for him, you can ask me, and then I can pass it on to him, and then we can, you know what's going on. But yeah, guys,
I will be back. I will be back.
you're gonna be back when me and Jared are gonna race, right?
Yep.
All right. So yeah, he's gonna be there. Maybe you can test it out on track. See what it is.
I'm gonna be there. I'm not gonna lay down I'm not gonna lay down records or nothing. But you better see what he can do.
What's that?
My seatbelt.
Oh. All right, guys. We see you on the next one.
Wear your seatbelt.